Every day, Apple sells more than 3 million iPhones worldwide. From the revolutionary iPhone X to the recently launched iPhone 17, these devices not only dominate the market, but have become the absolute definition of quality and premium technology. And it's no coincidence. The newest models can cost over $1,500, and yet they sell out in a matter of hours. But have you ever wondered how an iPhone is actually manufactured? What makes it so exclusive and so costly? Well, today we will travel directly to iPhone City, the largest iPhone factory on the planet. A place so gigantic that it is literally the size of a city, employing more than 300,000 people to produce up to 500,000 iPhones a day. So, get ready, because you are about to discover how the most desired mobile device on the planet is mass-produced. Let's begin. Step 1. Design and planning. It all begins at Apple's headquarters in California, where more than 20,000 engineers and designers work for almost an entire year to bring each new model to life. Here, every decision is critical. With the help of state-of-the-art 3D design and printing technology, teams define the exact shape of its curves, the position of the cameras, the battery capacity, and even the colors that will hit the market. At this point, the exclusive novelties of each generation are also decided. The recent iPhone 17, for example, incorporates larger camera sensors, optimized batteries, and new artificial intelligence functions integrated into its processor. To give you an idea, each new model can go through more than 100 different prototypes before receiving final approval. Only when the design is defined does the real challenge begin. Making more than 1,400 pieces fit into a body barely 8 millimeters thick. A challenge of surgical precision that very few companies in the world can overcome. Only when everything is ready and verified does Apple give the green light to production, and millions of components begin traveling toward a single destination, iPhone City, where mass manufacturing will begin. Step 2. The birth of the chassis. With the design approved, it's time to give the iPhone its physical form. It all starts with its chassis, the metallic skeleton that holds every internal part. To manufacture it, aeronautical-grade aluminum blocks are used, a material that is light yet incredibly resistant. Ultra-precision CNC machines carve every curve, every slot, and even the tiny speaker and buttonholes, transforming a simple block of metal into the perfect silhouette of an iPhone. Next, the aluminum receives treatments that increase its hardness and generate the iconic colors we all know. Separately, another key component is manufactured, the rear glass panel, where the famous bitten apple is stamped. This glass undergoes chemical tempering and polishing processes, making it much more resistant to shocks, scratches, and pressure, in addition to correctly enabling functions like wireless charging. When both parts are ready, the final inspection arrives. Casings and glass are checked with laser scanners and sensors capable of detecting defects invisible to the human eye. A microscopic scratch, an internal bubble, or a minimal deviation, and that piece is discarded without hesitation. Only perfect casings and glass continue, forming the impeccable base that will soon shape the body of an authentic iPhone. Step 3. Assembly of the brain. With the chassis ready, it is time to install the iPhone's brain, the main board where everything connects. In long automated lines, ultra-precision robotic arms place millions of micro-components every day. Some are so tiny they are invisible to the human eye, but together they create the network that allows the device to think, respond, and execute every action in milliseconds. The processor, memory, charging systems, and chips that coordinate every vital iPhone function are integrated here. Next, the most delicate details are added: connectors, micro cables, and the internal motor responsible for generating exact vibrations every time you receive a notification or press a button. Then comes the battery, designed to withstand hundreds of charge cycles without losing power. Finally, one of the most anticipated processes arrives: the assembly of the rear cameras. These are authentic digital eyes capable of capturing more than 12 million pixels and recording in 4K quality at 60 frames per second. Literally, professional miniature cameras integrated inside a phone. The most astonishing thing is the speed. In barely 5 minutes of assembly, the iPhone already has its brain, its energy, and its vision working in perfect harmony. Step 4. Screen and key modules. We reach the most delicate moment, the joining of the screen and the front modules. The display arrives as a complete module, composed of the protective glass, the high-resolution OLED panel, and the tactile layer. All of this is manufactured and assembled in clean environments, free of dust and bubbles, to ensure perfection. Before mounting it, inspection sensors and cameras check every screen for defects like scratches, dead pixels, or micro imperfections. On the line, precision robotic arms clean the edge of the chassis and apply a uniform adhesive around the frame. Then, with automated laser systems, the screen is positioned with millimetric accuracy and fixed without allowing dust to enter. A single misaligned angle or a particle of dirt means that unit is immediately retired. Finally, the front modules are integrated: the speaker, the proximity and ambient light sensors, and the famous Face ID, which requires high-precision calibration to function immediately and securely. Step 5. The final seal. Although the iPhone now has all its components assembled, a decisive step is still missing: sealing and maximizing its armor. On the production line, high-precision presses apply controlled pressure to each unit so that the screen, chassis, and rear glass are hermetically sealed. Then, special adhesives and microscopic gaskets are injected along every edge of the phone, sealing any possible gap where water or dust could enter. This process is what ensures the famous IP68 certification, making the iPhone one of the most resistant phones on the planet, capable of surviving strong drops, water immersion, and even sudden temperature changes. With this, the iPhone is transformed into a compact block, ready to face the ultimate test, the extreme quality control that will decide if it is worthy of reaching your hands. Step 6. Extreme quality control. We arrive at the most brutal moment of the entire production line: the final quality control. This is a relentless process where every iPhone faces tests so demanding that very few units manage to pass intact. Here, there are no second chances. It either meets Apple's standards 100% or it is mercilessly discarded. As they move down the conveyor belt, a high-speed artificial vision system scans every millimeter of the device in less than a second, checking everything from the exact brightness of the logo to the precise color tone. These machines can inspect more than 1,000 iPhones per minute, detecting imperfections no human could see. Next comes the physical examination, where machines put the iPhone to the test as if it had been in your hands for years. Robots press screens and buttons thousands of times in a matter of seconds, reproducing the wear and tear of real use. But the toughest test comes now. Devices are selected at random and subjected to extreme humidity, sudden temperature changes, and even water immersion, confirming that the IP68 certification is a real shield and not just marketing. Only the devices that pass all these phases continue their way. Those that fail are dismantled, recycled, and disappear. Step 7. Packaging and distribution. Having passed all the extreme tests, the iPhones that have proven worthy of wearing the bitten Apple logo proceed to the final stage: packaging. In enormous automated lines, thousands of units per minute are placed by robotic arms into their iconic minimalist white box, along with the charging cable and official documentation. Every box must look impeccable because the customer's first impression starts here. Afterward, the individual boxes are grouped into larger packages, stacked on pallets, and loaded directly onto trucks and distribution planes. From there, they depart for stores, warehouses, and customers in more than 170 countries worldwide. And the most impressive fact, from the moment the materials arrive at the factory until an iPhone is packaged and ready to ship, less than 10 hours can pass. This is a process timed to the second, which seems impossible, but that Apple has perfected to the extreme. Thus, a simple handful of aluminum, glass, and tiny chips ends up transformed into the most desired smartphone on the planet, a device that combines extreme engineering, global logistics, and a fanatical obsession with perfection. To conclude, tell us, did you imagine this entire process? Have you ever owned an iPhone? Leave us your answer in the comments.